Super Cyclone Amphan. All you need to know about Amphan. 2 Cyclonic storm Amphan was an extremely amazing and destructive tropical typhoon that caused across-the-board harm over East India and Bangladesh in May 2020. It was the most grounded tropical twister to strike the Ganges Delta since SIDR of the 2007 season, and the principal 2 cyclonic tempest to happen in the Bay of Bengal since the 1999 Odisha violent wind, causing over $13 billion of harm. Amphan is additionally the costliest typhoon at any point recorded in the North Indian Ocean, breaking the record held by Nargis. The primary tropical tornado of the 2020 North Indian Ocean violent wind season, Amphan began from a low-pressure zone persevering several hundred miles east of Colombo, Sri Lanka, on 13 May 2020. Following northeastward, the aggravation sorted out over extraordinarily warm ocean surface temperatures. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center (JTWC) overhauled the framework to a tropical discouragement on 15 May. While the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) stuck to this same pattern the next day. On 17 May, Amphan experienced fast escalation and turned into an incredibly serious cyclonic tempest inside 12 hours. On 18 May, at around 12 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, Amphan arrived at its pinnacle power with 3-minute continued breeze rates of 130 bunches 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, 1 minute supported breeze rates of 140 bunches 160 miles per hour, 260 kilometers per hour, and a base focal barometric weight of 925 millibars 27.32 in Hg. The tempest started an eyewall substitution cycle soon after it arrived at its pinnacle power, yet the proceeded with impacts of dry air and wind shear upset. This procedure and caused Amphan to continuously debilitate as it resembled the eastern coastline of India. On 20 May, somewhere in the range of 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, the tornado made landfall in West Bengal. At that point, the JTWC evaluated Amphan's 1-minute continued breezes at 85 bunches 100 miles per hour, 155 kilometers per hour. Amphan quickly debilitated once inland, and it turned into a remainder low by 12 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time on 21 May 2020. Beach-front regions in Odisha just as Kolkata, Hooghly, Howrah, East Midnapore, North, and South 24 Parganas in West Bengal were influenced by the tornado. It additionally caused huge decimation in Bangladesh. The 2 states which will be influenced the most by the development of the typhoon are West Bengal and Odisha. In any case, its effect will be obvious in Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya too. Nearly 4.2 million individuals have been moved to security in the beach-front districts of India and Bangladesh. Amphan was a monstrous typhoon, 700 km in degree and 15 km in tallness when it was pivoting around its inside in the focal pieces of Bay of Bengal on Monday. Amphan had been charged as the most serious violent wind in the Bay of Bengal since a 1999 tempest crushed Odisha, killing around 9,000 individuals. Odisha was hit by a super violent wind that left about 10,000 dead in 1999. 8 years after a storm, tornadoes and flooding slaughtered 139,000 in Bangladesh. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.